there anyone out there who still isn't clear about what doing drugs does? Okay, last time. This is your brain. This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
I'm going out, waste the trunk with the system up. Bumping in the trunk. I'm going out, waste the trunk with the system up. Bumping in the trunk. I'm like, get the clown in the sewer tray with my lighter cooking, whipping crack cocaine. Insane. And if I'm out, I'm going to the hood. Stay strapped, yeah, with a seatbelt. I'm crazy, but it's all good. I've got a $500 a day drug habit. I don't want it, you can have it. Banging dope, nodding out, looking funny. Smoking crack and more crack, blowing money. And it's magic when you see a smoke disappearing, reappearing dope when I'm broke. At it thick and fast, always making cash. Never seems to last, see the cops of dash. I'm not scared, but I gotta run, cause they always wanna kill the fun. Fucking next time I'ma get them bang bang. And continue do my thing, cause I'm a beast off the leash. And I'm sick of motherfucking police. I'm going out, waste the trunk with the system up. Bumping in the trunk. I'm going out, waste the trunk with the system up. Bumping in the trunk. Drugs got me drinking and driving, even though I know it's illegal. Driving back from the trap with some crack in my hand like a Smeagol.
Here to train, motherfuckers! Shout out entertainment. Thank you and